Okay, now we come to the second part of our lecture on family planning. In this, we will be talking about the various contraceptive methods. This also we will be discussing in two parts, okay, in two lectures. So, our topic is contraceptive methods. Contraceptive methods important क्यों है पढ़ना? Because first of all, this forms a very important part of spotters. Definitely 2 or 3 spotters will be kept, and also in your entrances they form an image based questions. ठीक है, so बहुत सारे questions आते हैं इस chapter से and you need to know them, understand them thoroughly. ठीक है, so contraceptive methods का first let us talk about the classification. Okay, so classification of contraceptive methods. Okay, contraceptive methods are classified into two main they have two broad classifications. One is the spacing methods. Okay, spacing methods के लिए दूसरा word क्या है? Temporary. Temporary means once you stop taking that contraceptive, stop using that contraceptive, you can get pregnant, the person can get pregnant, the lady can get pregnant again. Okay, so it is just for spacing. Okay, and the other is terminal methods. Okay, spacing, and the second one is terminal methods. Spacing method means you just want to keep a gap between two pregnancies. Okay, so you have, these are also known as temporary methods. Terminal methods, you want to limit the pregnancies, you do not want any more children. Okay, so this becomes permanent methods. Okay, अब spacing method में तुम्हारा more important ones are, okay, yeah, important ones are the ones that you need to study. Barrier method, very important. ठीक है, इसमें दो होते हैं, फिजिकल बैरियर मेथड एंड केमिकल बैरियर मेथड. ठीक है, एंड ऑल्सो यू हैव द अदर वन, इंट्रायूट्राइन डिवाइसेस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू हैव हार्मोनल मेथड्स. ठीक है, यू हैव इमरजेंसी कॉन्ट्रासेप्शंस. ठीक है, एंड अदर मिसलेनियस वंस. Okay, also you have natural regulation of fertility. Okay, and in terminal methods, which is done to limit the pregnancies, you have male sterilization and female sterilization. Okay, so this also comes as a 5 marks uni question, university questions that classify the contraceptive methods. So basically contraceptive methods are either directed towards spacing the pregnancy, which or they are the spacing methods, or they are also known as temporary method, in which once they are removed, that method is removed, the person can get, the lady can get pregnant again. And the other is terminal methods, which are permanent methods, when the lady does not want any more children. Because spacing methods ko we classify them into number 1 barrier methods, जिसमें we have physical and chemical. Okay, and also we have IUDs, intrauterine devices, hormonal methods, emergency contraceptions, and natural regulation of fertility. And in terminal methods, we have male and female sterilization. All of them are equally important because question हर method से कभी ना कभी आ चुके हैं. ठीक है? Okay, so first we will start discussing about spacing method. Okay, so first we are talking about spacing methods. ठीक है? Spacing methods. Spacing methods क्या होते हैं? They are temporary methods. Okay, so let me put it down for you. The time interval ओके, बिटवीन 2 सक्सेसिव प्रेगनेंसीज कितने होने चाहिए? तो spacing method means the time interval between 2 successive pregnancies or after a live birth. Recommend 2 successive pregnancies after a live birth. The recommended interval before a couple attempts another pregnancy should at least be 2 to 3 years. Ideally it should be 3 years. ठीक है, the longer it is the better. ठीक है, so the time interval between 2 pregnancies, when we have to maintain a gap between 2 pregnancies, this is when we adopt the spacing methods. ठीक है, तो सबसे important spacing method में सबसे पहले है we have a here, if you look here, we will be talking about barrier methods. ठीक है, so barrier methods में the first and the most important one that we will be speaking about is a condom. Okay, see, जब भी आपको spotters आएंगे, you could be asked about identify the contraceptive. Okay, then the second question could be which method is this, or classify it. Then it could be what is the mechanism of action, what is the failure rate of that contraceptive, what is the advantage and disadvantage. ठीक है, so let us try and study about condoms. So condoms में the other word for the other name for condom is Nirodh. ठीक है, government में it is available also by the name of Nirodh. ठीक है, then the next question, which method it belongs to? It is a part of or it is classified under barrier methods. Barrier methods में भी क्या था, हमने पढ़ा था अभी, physical and chemical. So it's a physical barrier method. ठीक है, then next question, what is the mechanism of action of a condom? Okay, so what does it do? It prevents semen being deposited. Okay, it prevents semen from being deposited in the vagina. ठीक है, and thus what does it do? And thus it prevents the meeting of sperm with ovum. That is why it is a barrier, and it is a physical barrier. क्यों? Because it prevents the semen from being deposited in the vagina. So if there is no semen that's deposited in the vagina, then obviously it will prevent the meeting of sperm with the ovum. ठीक है, then what is the next question? Okay, what is the advantage of using a condom? What is the major advantage? The major advantage, other than providing contraception, is very important. It provides protection against, very important guys, it provides protection against HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases. Very important. ठीक है, what are this is, if they ask you in the spotter, enlist one major advantage of using a condom, this is what you will write, that it provides protection against HIV and other STDs. ठीक है, then what are the other advantages that you have, that a condom has, is it is easy to use. ठीक है, it is safe. ठीक है, obviously it is less expensive, it is available under the social marketing scheme of government, so it is less expensive. Okay, it is accessible. Okay, and it is also available under commercial and social marketing. ठीक है, so this is very important, that the question that is the favorite of examiners is that what is the major advantage of using a condom? So it provides protection against HIV and other sexually transmitted diseases. Everything that has an advantage will also come with a disadvantage. So what is the disadvantage? The only disadvantage is that it decreases the sex sensation. Okay, and one more disadvantage is that it has a high failure rate. So automatically my next question that will be asked is that what is the failure rate of a condom? Okay, so let's write down the failure rate. I already told you, we've already written it. It is 2 to 3 to 14 per 100 women years. So if you have to give one value, you will always give the upper value, which is 14. अगर ऑप्शन एक ही दिख रहा है, then you will mark 14 per 100 woman years. Okay, so these are the possible questions that could be asked from a if they put condoms as a spotter. The first thing is any other name that we have. Yes, it is also known as Nirodh. Okay, then what is the method? It comes under which classification? So it is a form of physical barrier method. Mechanism of action is very simple. Major advantage. This is a major MCQ question also and a favorite Viva Voice question. Okay, and also the failure rate of a condom. Okay, so now let us have a look at the spotter, because this will come as a spotter question also. So this is the picture. They might just put you, if you can look over here, okay, they might just put this as a picture and they will ask you to identify. Okay, so this is the picture that you must be able to identify. Okay, so that was a male condom. Now next we will go to, okay, so next spotter that could come from contraceptives is very, very important, a female condom. So again we will be studying it under the same headings. Okay, I'll show you the picture once we discuss it. Okay, that you should know. That is why this is an additional point other than the headings under which we'll be discussing it. It was invented by a person known as Danish MD Lasse Hessel. If you could remember, when in good, it's a straight away 1 mark question. So you'll get 1 MCQ correctly. Okay, so next question, that what is this type of contraception? So it belongs to physical barrier method. Okay, next question. What is the mechanism of action? Just like a male condom, it prevents the semen being deposited. Okay, semen being deposited in the vagina. What is the advantage of a female condom? That could be asked. Okay, so major advantage is just like a male condom. It provides protection from, so protection against, it's protecting against what? It's protecting against HIV and also other sexually transmitted diseases. Okay, so this is very important. What is the disadvantage of a female condom? It has not gained that much of popularity. Why? Because of its high failure rate. Okay, so next question automatically comes. What is the failure rate of a female condom? This you must know. It is very high, 5 to 21 per 100 women years. ठीक है, per 100 women years. Okay, अगर एक वैल्यू पूछेंगे, so you will put that as 21 per 100 women years. Okay, then there was one question that is asked, was that do male and female condoms, okay, cover the skin around external genitalia? Okay, genitalia. Okay, so the answer to this is yes. Please remember, both the males and female condoms, they cover the skin around external genitalia. Okay, one more very nice or unique point, just like we had discussed the unique point about general fertility rate. If you remember, it uses live birth as a numerator. ठीक है, similarly any unique point about a female condom, it is that it is the only tool, ठीक है, for HIV prevention, okay, that women can initiate and control, isn't it? Because it's being used by a woman. All right, the only problem is that it has a very high failure rate. Okay, now one more difference that could be between a male condom and female condom is that we forgot to write it when we were discussing male condoms. Male condoms, okay, they may contain, this is important, they may contain a spermicidal. Spermicidal is nothing but a chemical barrier method. Okay, so they may contain a spermicidal. Name of this spermicidal is non-oxynol. Okay, ये पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. और the other name is octoxynol. ठीक है, non-oxynol और octoxynol. So they may contain this. What is the function of this spermicidal? So here we are also talking about chemical barrier methods. ठीक है, so they may contain spermicidal. So what do they do? They can immobilize and kill sperm. ठीक है, so male condoms can contain a spermicidal which is non-oxynol or octoxynol. ये पूछते हैं that they give the name of this and ask what is this. Okay, so this is a chemical barrier method which might be used separately also, or a male condom can also contain it, and this will immobilize and kill the sperm. But female condoms may, okay, in female condoms there is no need of spermicide. Please remember this. Okay, you need not put a spermicide in female condoms. Okay, so we will quickly see the picture. We will quickly see the picture of a female condom. See, this is the female condom. Here you can see it. It's very thin and its insertion, look, it has to be inserted. It covers here if you look at the picture. Okay, here it's being inserted.